What's up guys, today I am back with another video. Today I am going to explain top 5 best vacuum cleaners under $100. The vacuum cleaners are the things which can clean your floor, roof, bed and many others. So number 1 from the list is the self-cleaning compact upright vacuum cleaner. Nice and an amazing vacuum cleaner with different features and factors that make them very amazing and a nice vacuum cleaner. So in the number 1 from this, you can every purchase save the price. I mean, it will clean everything and will save your price from dust and many other things also. It has a scatter free technology present in these kind of vacuum cleaners. The Pixel as it is a very famous brand. You can see its different features and characters and totally nice and amazing vacuum cleaner with different features also. It has an LED light which illuminates and creates feature of this kind of vacuum cleaners. Totally protective in a strong vacuum cleaner with perfect crackers also. It's an amazing vacuum cleaner that provides clean and a safe atmosphere at your home, office, and whatever you place you want. It has a powerful suction capacity. It can suck everything from inside the ground, floor, carpet, and everywhere you want to place. Totally protective and amazing vacuum cleaner with too many other features. It's mostly red in blue and white in color. Also different colors also present. So on number 2 from a list in this category, you get on PowerSpeed, a Bagless upright vacuum cleaner. It's also a nice and an amazing vacuum cleaner with different features and characters that make them very efficient and an amazing vacuum cleaner. It is a powerful vacuum cleaner. It has a powerful capacity to clean things from floor, dust, everything you want to do. For pets also. And too much many other objects you want to do. These are totally amazing and fabulous vacuum cleaners with great features also. And totally a strong. These are the lightweight vacuum cleaners with only 10 lbs weight. Too much lightweight, very easy to use and handle, and clean everything you want to clean. Totally perfect. I would suggest everyone to buy this one because it is greater than the other vacuum cleaners and are reasonable prices also. They have 5 height adjustments, like you can use this according to your height and weight and whatever you want to use. Totally perfect for elders, childs, everyone you want to use. Such amazing vacuum cleaner with great features. They have the extra large capacity to hold things like dirt, dust, whatever you want to do with these kind of great vacuum cleaners. Totally amazing and protective and a strong vacuum cleaner also. They have multiple accessories included in this kind of vacuum cleaner, which also makes them very efficient and amazing and totally perfect for cleaning purposes. Also, amazing product. So, number 3 from a list in this category you want to is a dirt and Endura, upright, a bagless vacuum. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner, very easy to use and hello. You can easily empty extra dirt, extra large dirt out also. It's a bagless, not too much high weight, very lightweight and easy to use. And a portable vacuum cleaner with too many crackers and features. Like it has a multiple floor deep cleaning option. You can clean everything which is present in the deep floors of the bed on many other which you want to play. Totally perfect and amazing with great features also. Like it has a quick and easily you can easily use and push. There is no loss of sections, so no need to worry about sections. You can get everything inside this kind of vacuum cleaner with also great features and crackers that make them totally perfect and an amazing vacuum cleaners. These are the fabulous ones. They are convenient on the board storage also. Very easy to use and effective results will get by using these kind of vacuum cleaners. Totally amazing and a nice one. You will never feel discomfort by using these kind of vacuum cleaners. Totally amazing and a nice one with totally great features. So number four from my list, you get a PowerSpeed, a Bagless upright vacuum cleaner. It's an upright vacuum cleaner with too many the features and characters that make them very amazing and a nice one. While it's a powerful vacuum cleaner, it has the capability to extract things from the floor and many other things very easy and amazing results you will get immediately by using these kind of vacuum cleaner. These are lightweight, upright vacuum cleaner. Too much lower weight, like only 10 lbs. These are also upright vacuum cleaners. Totally amazing and a nice vacuum cleaners with too many great features and crackers. They also work well on a carpet shed. Amazing results on the carpet also with too many other features that make them eligible for cleaning objects. On the teak objects also. They have the extra large dust cup holders which can hold too many things and easy to use so you can clean extra capability things by using these kind of vacuum cleaners and protect. Totally made on a nice vacuum cleaner. These are totally preferable vacuum cleaners for your home, office, and everywhere you want. They have a quick release handle connected house. Very immediate result and quick work for use of these kind of vacuum cleaners. They are also included in different colors and shapes also which make them very beautiful and amazing vacuum cleaners. So finally, in the last number five from my list, you can have PowerSpeed, a lightweight powerful upright vacuum cleaner. The EUREKA is a very famous brand in vacuum with great results and features also. It's a lightweight and affordable vacuum cleaner, too much lower weight, so you can export from one place to another very easily and can be totally amazing with a great results and a protected one in strong vacuum cleaner with too many other features also which make them very amazing and amazing with great results. They have a powerful multi-surface vacuum. You can clean everything which is present, clean outside, inside, everything you want to clean. They will give you a rough surface for cleaning and totally protected one. An amazing vacuum cleaner. They have an extra large dust also, which can provide you extra dust cleaning and a great capacity for these kind of vacuum cleaners. Totally protective one. They are very nice for pet owners. That's why these are the EUREKA vacuum for pet hair also. You can clean every pet hair and everything you want to clean from floor, room, everywhere. They have a floor brush that may be closed for hair also. You can easily clean your floor and everywhere. Totally great one with great features also. These are the preferable vacuum cleaners on such a reasonable prices also. You can get very easily. So these were the top 5 best vacuum cleaners under $100. If you want to buy from Amazon, just click on the link present in the description. You can easily get this just by clicking on the links on a reasonable and also on sale prices. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section if you find any kind of difficulty. Have a nice day. Thank you.